A very good evening to one and all present here. It is an honor for me to welcome Reverend Father Johnson, our principal, Reverend Father Salas, Reverend Sister Marisa. It's also my pleasure to welcome our loving parents, well-wishers, teachers, and all our lovely tiny tots. I am very happy that you are to witness our loving kids perform on stage their talent and their best. In 2018-19, with the tireless efforts and continuous support of our principal, the school launched its own production house. I am talking about the theater Theomai, which means to watch, to observe, to wonder, the punchline of which is we create for wonderment, Theomai. This year 2019-20 was a marking year for our institution as we are to present before you our fifth show. It is your belief, trust, and your support that has led us to the fifth production of this house, Theomai. We are here to celebrate the annual show of 2019-20 by the students of lower KG. The theme of our show is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Let me bring before you a bird's eye view on the theme. Being jealous of Snow White's beauty, the wicked queen orders the murder of her innocent stepdaughter, but later discovers that Snow White is still alive and hiding in a cottage with 7 friendly little miners. Disguising herself as a hag, the queen brings a poisoned apple to Snow White, who falls into a death-like sleep that can be broken only by a kiss from the prince. I will not reveal much about the movie and steal the excitement that you all have been waiting for. So without further ado, let us begin the program with the lighting of the lamp. For this, I would like to request Reverend Father Johnson, Reverend Father Salas, Reverend Sister Marisa, and on behalf of all the parents, I would like to call upon Mrs. Binaben Gohel, Mrs. Varshaben Joshi, Mrs. Lency-ben Bhalodia, and Dr. Milan Darsandia, along with our teachers to light the lamp. I thank each and everyone. May the Almighty's divine grace and blessings envelop all of us here today. Let us all join together for a prayer dance to communicate with God, so that He may enlighten us daily in our lives.
There is a candle in every soul, some brightly burning and some dark and cold. And there is a spirit who brings a fire, ignites a candle and makes his home. Carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the helpless, confused and torn, and hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world. Frustrated brother, see how he's tried to light his own candle some other way. See now your sister, she's been robbed and lied to, still holds a candle without a flame. Carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the hopeless, deceived and poor, and hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world. Seek out the confusion. Hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle.
Thank you, dear kids. Now it's time to listen to the words from our beloved Reverend Father Johnson, the principal of our school. Father, please grace the stage.
Reverend Father Salas, Reverend Sister Maricia, dear staff, my dear parents, and my dear children. Today, LKG students are celebrating their annual show. On this occasion, I am very happy to be here to welcome all of you to this event. It is said by Dr. Hedge that every child is a scientist. Bada balak एक साइंटिस्ट છે. એ લોક એક ખોજમાં નીકળેલું છે અને એ લોકોના લેબોરેટરી જ્યાં પરીક્ષણ કરે એ આપણું ઘર છે અને તમે બધા અહીંયા બેઠા છો, તમે બધા એ બાળકોના નાના નાના સાયન્ટિસ્ટોના ગાઈડ છે. તમારા ઘરમાં એ લોગ निरीक्षण, परीक्षण, सोच, समझ और प्रकृति करते साइंटिस्ट बनी जाए छे. અને આ સ્કૂલ એ લોકો માટે એક મોટો દુનિયા છે. અને ત્યાં એ લોક પરિપૂર્ણ થાય, એવા માનવ બને કે સમાજમાં એક સાયન્ટિસ્ટ તરીકે જીવે. આપણે એના માટે અવસર આપવું જોઈએ. આપણા ઘરમાં આપણને ખબર છે, દાદા દાદીઓ, સગા મિત્રો બધા આપણા બાળક સાથે હળી મળીને રહે. ત્યાંથી એક બાળક જન્મ થાય છે, એક બાળક સમાજના એક વ્યક્તિ થાય છે. આજે તમને ખબર પડે આ સુંદર રચનામાં આ બાળક કેટલું સોચ સમજ કરકે આ એક્શન અહીંયા કરે, ડિસ્પ્લે કરે. એના માટે એક અવસર છે. It is the stage for the children to express themselves. Through that they find out what they are, how they are, who they are. It is like a seed growing in the ground. When we give a suitable atmosphere, the seed become a strong tree. And that's the reason why we all are here. Our children are going to perform. And we are here not only to enjoy, to understand our child, to guide our child, so that we become part of this laboratory where we can find real human being. That's the reason why Jesus was born in a family. And we Christians believe that that was the Holy Family, because father, mother, and the child. Every family is a holy family. We are supposed to be. On this occasion, I also congratulate all my staff members. Few are sitting here, non-teaching staff. They are all behind the curtain, working day and night, praying for our children, preparing them, and we are going to enjoy. On this occasion, I congratulate Mrs. Nima, teacher and team, for preparing our children. And this preparation, one way or other, is going to help our children to behave in the society, understand the movement, react to the situations, and be prudent in the behavior. That's the reason why we organize this annual show. This is just like an examination that the children go through. એ પરીક્ષામાંથી પસાર થાય છે આ બાળક અને આપણા સમક્ષ. કેમ કે જે મેં કીધું, આ બાળક માટે તમે અને આપણે બધા માસ્ટરો છે. આપણા પરિવારની અંદર આપણને જોઈને આપણી સાથે મોટો થાય છે. એટલે આપણું જવાબદારી છે સાથ સહકાર આપવાનું, અપ્રિશિએટ કરવાનું, અને આપણા બાળકને કાલના માનવ બનાવવા માટે પ્રયત્ન કરીએ. I also congratulate all the participants, and I'm very sure that I have seen it yesterday and you will enjoy it. I also thank each one of you. It is because of your cooperation, your understanding, that we are able to run this show and we are able to run this school. So on behalf of the management, I welcome you to this show, and I thank you for being good parents, because we are all together. I always say, one side the school, the other side our parents, and our children are at the middle. And we take care of our children to a new world. I welcome all of you and pray that you may enjoy this show, and let us enjoy this evening. May God bless each one of you to become the member of a holy family.
Thank you, Father. Your thought-provoking address has set a perfect platform. Thank you. Hold your breath and get ready to travel on the journey of the story of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Loving children, now the stage is all yours.